Hello friends, welcome to Facts Destination. This is the fourth episode of this channel's new video series No More. Today I am going to do a discussion about the most popular programming languages in the world. So let's start the video. Number 5. PHP. PHP is a general purpose scripting language especially suited to web development. It was originally created by Danish-Canadian programmer Rasmus Lerdorf in 1994. PHP is used for creating dynamic websites and platforms. It is a server-side language because it needs a server to run the code perfectly. It is an advanced level programming language. It is the fifth most programming language based on internet searches by people in the last few years. Number 4. C#. C# is a general purpose programming language used for web development of some Microsoft apps and development of games. It was developed in the year 2000 by Microsoft. It was designed by Anders Hejelsberg along with his team in Microsoft. It is the fourth most popular programming language based on internet searches of the last few years. Number 3. JavaScript. This is known to most of the people who develop their own games. Alongside HTML and CSS, JavaScript is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web also, so you can understand its importance. It was first released in 1995 and was designed by American technologist Brandon H. It is used for web development, web applications, mobile applications, game development and web server development. It is the third most popular programming language based on internet searches of the last few years. Number 2. Java. For people having confusions, let me confirm that Java and JavaScript are two different languages in spite of having similar names. Java is a general purpose programming language commonly used by many people. It is one of the most common programming languages taught in schools. Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems and was released in 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystems' Java platform. Since then, it became one of the most used programming languages. On average, 1 out of every 5 programmers use Java, which is way more than the popularity of other programming languages. Java is used for mobile app development, desktop GUI applications, web-based applications, gaming applications, IoT applications, and cloud-based applications. Java is the second most popular programming language based on internet searches of the last few years. Number 1. Python. Python is a high-level and general-purpose programming language. This language is the most popular among coders and programmers right now. This language was first implemented in the year 1989. Python was tried to be implemented in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum in the Netherlands. This language is now being developed by Python Software Foundation. Python programming language is now used for web development, game development, scientific and numeric applications, artificial intelligence and machine learning, education programs and training courses, and for much other things. It is the most popular programming language in the world right now among developers and programmers. Do any one of you know programming? If yes, then tell me in the comments section. So that's it. Please like, share and subscribe this channel if you all like the video and want to watch more videos like this. I have a target of 100 subscribers, so please subscribe the channel and share this video with everyone so that everyone gets more knowledge. Bye till the next video.